Hi, I'm Hock Meng. I'm a commercial drone pilot and a real estate salesperson. In the continuing showcase of property developments across Singapore, I shall present you a short drone video tour of the Marina One Residences. As you can see, Marina One Residences comprises of two 30-story residential towers and is one of the most architecturally ambitious addresses in the central business district. Marina One Residences was developed by M+S Private Limited. This is a joint venture between Malaysia's Khazanah Nasional Berhad and Singapore's Temasek Holdings. The project sits on a 99-year leasehold site and spans around roughly 282,000 square feet. The development was completed around 2017 to 2018. In this view, you can see a right to left shot of the Marina One Residences, and also from here a southward drone view of the entire development itself. As you are enjoying the view, you can also see some of the surrounding buildings in the Marina Bay Financial District. And over here, you can see partially the Tanjong Pagar business area as well. The prominent building you can see in front with the bright salmon light color is the MAS building. Over here you can see the Tanjong Pagar container terminal, which is expected to be shifted to the Tuas Megaport in 2030 or around there, thus making way for the upcoming Greater Southern Waterfront. As the drone is panning its view across the Marina area, you can see vast new developments. So we will expect more upcoming developments coming up soon. In fact, the one Marina Gardens you saw earlier is currently in construction phases right now. As you can see right now, the drone is panning from the left to the right, and it's also showing the view of the Marina One Residences as well. The Marina Financial Center is also shown right beside the development. And taking another 360-degree view of the busy roadway in front of you, which is the Benjamin Sheares Bridge linking to the East Coast Parkway or ECP. And let's take a final look at the Marina Bay area. It's a fantastic site. I'm sure residents will love it. My contact details are shown below or above. And if you are interested in commercial drone footages, do get in touch with me. Thank you, and we shall catch up soon. Thank you.